Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Persistent fatigue or skin problems may be the first signs that announce the need to eliminate excess accumulated toxins in the body. Diet, lifestyle and other environmental factors can affect natural detoxification processes. Toxic organic substances end up causing a whole range of health problems. Detoxification is a medical practice adopted by many world cultures to cleanse the body from harmful substances and supplement the essential nutrient intake. Long-term effects of body cleanse include strengthening the immune system, facilitating the loss of extra pounds and relieving digestive disorders, and preventing dermatological diseases. The kidneys, skin and the liver are responsible for detoxifying our body. The kidneys are one of the main blood filters that purify us, retaining what our body will use and eliminating in urine what our body no longer needs. In fact, the kidneys filter around 180 liters each day, of which only 1.5 liters are eliminated through the urine. But kidney functions are not just these, but besides purifying and filtering blood, they also regulate homeostasis from the body, secrete hormones, regulate blood pressure, and participate in reabsorption of electrolytes. Because of these reasons, it is always useful to know how we can detoxify our kidneys, and of course which natural juices can be especially recommended for the kidneys. For kidney care, naturally, there are some fruit and vegetable juices that have many benefits for our health. In all these juices, it is also indicated to add spring water, about a quarter of the final juice. Thus, the ingredients of juices and smoothies will be better absorbed by the body. One of the beneficial juices for kidney cleansing is composed of carrot, leaves and stems of celery and spring water. The celery leaves are highly appreciated for the flavor they give to the dishes, but the way they contribute to protecting our health is much higher than their culinary value. Generically called herbs, celery leaves help prevent digestive problems, regulate appetite and improve metabolism and kidney cleansing and the removal of kidney stones. The celery leaves also contain volatile oils with antibiotic effects, antioxidant flavones, or chlorophyll with antitumor and antiviral effects. Over 100 years ago, these herbs have been among the most commonly used medicinal plants in acute tumor or infectious diseases and kidney cleansing and the removal of kidney stones. To get green celery juice, mix 2 large carrots and 3 leafy celery stems with blender. Wash both carrots and celery stems thoroughly. Clean the carrots and cut them off. Cut into small pieces the celery. The ingredients should have mixed very well with a blender and add 50 milliliters of spring water. This juice is drunk immediately after preparation. This juice is consumed for 3 times a day until remove kidney stones and kidney detoxification. Hoping that you liked the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.